to change the momentum of the game. We needed to score, because the longer the game goes, when you don't score, you give Madagascar encouragement. They are playing in front of their home supporters that are cheering them on, and they were in confidence. So we needed, at any stage of the game, we needed to score to change the feeling of the game. We had a lot of possession, but we didn't create enough clear chances. And unless you are able to do this, it's very difficult to win games. Yes, we're very disappointed. We came here with an attitude and a mindset to win. But to win a football match, any football match, you need to score goals. We found it difficult today. The pitch is difficult. It's a very uneven pitch, but it's the same for both teams. And we needed to be more forceful in areas to create more opportunities to score. So the fact that we didn't score is the most disappointing thing. Our strategy for the next match is to win. We are playing at home. We know we have to get a result, and obviously if it's a game, we know the consequences if we don't win. So no, the strategy is we have a break now. The players will go back to their clubs. They will have a rest. They will go back to their clubs. They will do a pre-season. And we will be ready for the game in September. We have some players missing today, so hopefully those players will be available come September. And we go into a difficult game against Central African Republic with a mindset of winning this game.